Anong ginagawa nung me?
Kain.
Kumakain sila. Okay. Anong ginagawa ni Zoe?
Right.
Susulat. Oh, thank you.
Me.
Meron daw me. Saan doon yung me? Ayun.
Oh.
Ano yung tawag doon? Kambing, goat?
Tatay. Nanay. Nanay. Nanay.
Si nanay? Yung isa doon, nanay? Mami yung isa? Mami goat?
Dot. Oh.
Oh, bakit?
Mami. Dot.
Yung goat? Oh, okay.
Daddy. Look.
Daddy talk?
Daddy. Look.
Talk yun?
Mami.
Ay, isang mami, isang daddy yung goat.
Look.
Sino yung goat? Sino yung daddy goat yung may team?
Nanay.
May nanay din.